doing today. We hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day. And because we're about to make it even better and refreshing.
So yesterday we had tasked to making a tutorial about how to make a simple instant orange drink.
That's right. Ever found yourself feeling thirsty and needing a refreshing drink? Well, you are in the right place.
Today, we're diving into the ultimate hack for a make instant powder drink with orange flavor. And before we make it, let's quickly introduce our member. I'm Clarit,
I am Lian.
And I'm Tia.
and for all step-by-step magic, we will be hearing directly from Tia as guide you through making this instant drink. Get ready to learn the quickest way to cover in a class.
So firstly, we need to prepare all the materials within the tools and the ingredients. With first we have spoon, and next we have a glass of 150 milliliters. Next we have flavors such as American Swiss orange, and the last one we have 250 milliliter of water. Firstly, I need Lian to help me open the glass, and then pouring all the flavor or instant powder on the glass. And make sure when you're doing this, don't mess up on the outside the glass. And next, we need to pouring 150 milliliter water to the glass until it fully adheres. Okay, so the last one is we need to stirring up the solvent until it mix well. After it mix well, that's the very easy and the instant way to make an orange drink.
Actually, it was nice if we added the ice to make your body it's so more fresh.
Yes, but we forgot to bring it.
Yes.
So you just saw how we made our instant drink. It looked pretty smooth, right? But let me tell you, our first few attempts were always so picture perfect.
Oh, definitely not. I remember the very first time I peeled in the water without either measuring. The result was, well, let's just say it was more like a tea, sugary paste than a drink. We learned then that the water to powder ratio was absolutely key.
Yeah, we realized that even with instant mixes, process matter for the base taste.
And the steering, I took a quick swear would be enough, but my first four sips were great, and then I hit a clump of unmixed powder in the bottom. We learned that true patience stir was essential to avoid the surprise.
We also experiment with temperature. We tried using lukewarm water, but the drink just didn't have that refreshing kick. We found that using really cold water or even adding ice cube, like Lian said, it made perfectly chilled and much more enjoyable.
It was actually quite fun, figuring out those like little tricks we thought making an instant drink would be totally foolproof, but we discovered there is small art to it to get it just right for your taste. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It showed us that even the simplest thing can have their own learning curve.